Right now I'm just cleaning the driveway, cleaning some gutters. Gonna clean all this algae and all this nastiness up. starting to rain now. So I'm gonna shut the machine off and sit out here and drink some beer. So as you see, it's starting to rain pretty good now, which kind of dampens my mood. We kind of needed the rain though, the rest of the drive. I'm gonna tell you about some upcoming projects that'll be on the channel before I close it out real quick. This whole area here with all these little ugly brick things, they're ugly brick things, all that's gonna get tore up. And over there where it's kind of like, you know, look like a landscape used to be, all that's gonna get tore out. It's gonna have a natural edge it's gonna run through. I'm gonna have maybe like a Japanese snow bell or something. A tree over at the end, not really sure, maybe an Asaki or whatever them trees are called. The Tashi willow or whatever. Kayla really likes them. I'm gonna have that, and I'm just gonna have obviously black mulch probably. All this is gonna be tore up, and most of that over there is gonna be covered in black mulch, some boxwoods. I don't know, daylilies, something. I'm gonna consult a couple guys here on the YouTubes, get some ideas. So that's gonna be coming up, and over here, I'm gonna put that runs straight down. I'm gonna put a driveway in right here because this drive's perfect for one. But I'm gonna put a driveway in right here, build a retaining wall. I've already got a couple railroad ties, so I'll put a retaining wall here, driveway, backfill it with dirt and gravel, sand, all that good stuff. Up, driveway, and then I'm gonna build like a shed type thing. I'm not sure if I want to just literally just build my own shed or buy the material, like one of them prefab type things. All you gotta do is assemble it. Or like my father-in-law has enough lumber to where I could do it, but I don't know if he'd let me get into his lumber. And I don't really want to pay for lumber. So that's going to be one of my next projects. That might be come this fall. Got a couple projects over at the property still. Got a whole hillside to clean. Got a couple abandoned properties in the holler. Property owner asked me to clean up for him. Got a lot of stuff coming to the channel, so stay tuned. I'm going to eventually finish my own driveway. But until then, let's drink some natties. Let's become better fathers, better men. Let's keep chasing our dreams. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons. You know we like to push them buttons. Later, guys.